Hey guys, every month in my Patreon, we set goals and we do some goal planning. But before we even do some goal planning, we sit down and we do end of the month reflection prompts. These reflection prompts really help us see where we went wrong last month and correct it for the month ahead. That way we really know what we need to do and what we need to change to reach our goals. So here are some reflection prompts that we're doing for the end of the month. First reflection prompt is what went well last month. This is a great way to look at what you really enjoyed from the last month and capitalize on that joy. The second reflection prompt is what could have gone better. Before we can see what we need to change for the month ahead, we need to know what went wrong the month before. The third reflection prompt is what are you grateful for? This is a great one to just sit with what you're thankful for and increase those feelings of gratitude. The fourth prompt is what wins are you celebrating this month? It doesn't matter the size of your win, small or big, when we sit down to think about what we did really well, we actually feel a lot better. And then it becomes easier to really feel the joy of your achievements and your accomplishments. The fifth prompt is what did you learn? I really like this one because I get to reflect on all of the things that make me feel good about my growth. Since it's the end of the year, I threw in an extra prompt. So the last prompt is, by the end of 2021, what would you like to be celebrating? I'd like to add here that you don't have to be pushing yourself to reach any goals this month. Maybe you want to be celebrating rest this month by taking a week off so you can enjoy the holidays. You don't always have to be setting bigger and greater goals. Sometimes it's just about the simple things. Join the Guilt-Free Goal Planning membership today on Patreon so that you can set goals with us, include rest in your plans, and if you're an influencer or content creator, we actually make a content plan for each month ahead so that we know exactly what we have to be doing. Find out more about my membership on my new website, guiltfreegoals.com.